Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a really good trader. So be smart about the way that you're trading. Also, what I'm doing is I'm running a special offer over the next few days. You can get a free trial to my Master Trader Lab. Plus, as part of this special, you receive 5 full master trading courses on frameworks, chart reading mastery, mindset, and much, much more for free. And this is valued at $5,188. Click on the very first link in the description below right now. Hey traders, in this video I'm going to talk about Apple because something happened recently with Apple, with China and all these sort of announcements that come out with an Apple. So I'm going to share with you what I see is happening with Apple right now and where are we likely to continue going through with Apple, you know, and what's likely to happen here. And this is just what you're seeing here right now with Apple. Apple fundamentally is a good company, right? Then why has it been selling off so strong? That's why the purpose of me saying that comment there is that's why I always suggest you do is that you trade what you see, not what you think, hope, or fear. Just because something fundamentally is good doesn't mean it's not likely to have a big sell-off. Remember, we actually make money on the price, not based on what the fundamental says. Make sense? So, but people say, but it's gonna rally back up, John. You don't don't do that. Anyway, so for the last few months, what have we seen on Apple? Just been absolutely obliterated. I can't say that. I can't say that word. We absolutely been smashed, right? Been smashed all the way down through here on Apple. Now, when we're looking at Apple, one thing I do see is if I bring up my long-term charts through here and I squeeze it up, I see we actually have a bit more of a long, actually, let me bring up the monthly charts here and I'll show you the real long-term trend line. Notice this, look at this here, right? So we're in 2 channels through here right now. Look how well this is, right? So we have, look at this here. We have the starting point here and then hit resistance there, hit support there, hit resistance there, hit support there, rallied up, hit resistance, found support, rallied up, came back down. So guess where it's likely to come back down to? It's probably likely to come back down towards this support level through here. See that through there? So looking at Apple right now, Apple looks like this stock has a lot more downside to come. And if you're looking at this one here, once again, we can see this thing through here. If I go to the weekly chart, you can see that's around about that 120 level through there. That's that level through there. But if we have a look at the daily chart, and we squeeze our daily chart up a bit more, you can see that's where it's likely to follow through down. And that's where we're likely, that around about that 120 level is where it's likely to find a lot of support. It's really interesting to see that the Dow Jones and the S&P have a bit more downward movement to go to get to their projections on their overall topping pattern. Same with the Dow Jones. And it's interesting that the Apple also has a bit more downside to come before it's likely to get into any significant support level. We are at a bit of support level right here right now, but I do see this thing heading down towards 120. It may not happen straight away. We may get a bit of a pullback for a week, but ultimately I see this thing heading down to 120 before it gets a bit of a bounce, and then we can take it from there. On Apple, we don't know what's going to happen with Apple, but what we're looking at right now is, as you can see, right, we had this nice move up, and there's getting this pretty much just vertical move down on this weekly chart. And it's likely to get down to Apple. So anyway, guys, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about Apple. Do you think it's going to continue down here, or do you think it's a good buying opportunity? Or do you own Apple, or do you know someone that owns Apple? Let me know what you think below, because I'd like to see, I'd like to open up the dialogue about what you think about Apple as well too. If you're struggling with the trading right now, then I want you to click on the very first link in the description, because I'm going to give you a free trial to the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be giving you brand new trainings and helping you on all the areas become what I call the Master Trader. Plus, I'm going to give you 6 massive bonuses as well too. Bonus number 1 is the framework to a successful trader. This is a whole course. Bonus number 2, the chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course. Bonus number 3, the advanced chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 4 is the millionaire mindset master course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 5 is the master trader breakthrough bonuses, a whole bunch of bonuses. And also bonus number 6, you can get a free trial. Plus, I'm going to give you a massive discount. You can lock it in right now. So click on the very first thing in the description right now, and I'll see you on the next page.